I love this little camera. The Insta360 Go is like a complete portable camera and studio all in one. And along with your phone or tablet, it's a complete package, capture and post-production studio rolled into one. But if there's one big thing I'd love for Insta360 to add to supercharge it into an unmissable must-have device, I'm going to tell you about it right now. Hey, I'm Saab Johal, and here I talk about useful tech, including all the consumer Insta360 devices, but also iPhones, the Apple ecosystem, software, hardware, and just useful tech that we have and use. Stuff that saves time, makes life easier, and is just cool. Thanks for coming. I really appreciate it. Hey, do me a favor, drop me a comment below and let me know what you'd like me to cover. I've been away for a while taking a break, but I'm starting to crank my content production back up again. So whether you're new here or one of my old friends, I'd love to know what you'd like and what you want to see from me. Okay, let's get into this. What on earth can be done to improve this little genius device, the Go2? Well, you might be kind of surprised when I say I'm going to talk about memory capacity. Wait, you say, but the memory capacity was increased from the original Go from 8 GB to a massive 32 GB. True, I reply. True. The 32 GB is a really good expansion, but just over 27 GB is usable for capturing footage. That's still over 4 times bigger than the original Go, but files are now also bigger, especially if you're capturing at the increased 1440p option. It's still all good, but as someone who's just pushing for more, I just want more. So I got to thinking, I know that instead of built-in memory, the One X, the One R, and the Insta360 One X2 rely on fast micro SD cards to capture your footage and store it. And what's more, Insta360 implemented a system so that you can edit your footage and export directly from the SD card using your app, and you bypass having to download the raw footage onto your device, which takes time and valuable storage space on your device too. Now, this got me thinking, what if you could have both? Have both built-in memory and also an SD card for storage on the Go2 too. Now, I'm not talking about somehow trying to shoehorn an SD card into the Go2 camera unit. There just wouldn't be enough space. And it would also compromise its ability to be waterproof, which is fantastic. No, that's not what I'm suggesting at all. Here's what I think they could do, and it's all about the case. The case is the secret weapon of the Go2 system. And it is a system now. The case is a brilliant innovation, meaning that you can control most of the more complex functions and settings for the Go2 camera unit without firing up your phone app at all, as well as being a charging bank, which is pretty much the only thing that the old Go case would do. It's a control unit as well as a handy little tripod stand, handy shooting grip, and all of the other things. Here's where I think an extra innovation could add so much value. And this is where I'm hoping that the Insta360 engineers are watching. What if you could have an SD card slot in the Go2 case unit? And what if you used it to be able to offload the footage you've captured in your Go2 camera unit, clearing the space in your camera and enabling you to capture even more footage without having to offload it and fill up your phone? Even better, what if you could also edit from that SD card directly, just like you can with other Insta360 cameras? Sure, you may have to have the case plugged into a power supply before too long, but just imagine if you could do this. One of the walls I hit when I go away, even for a weekend, is that my 32 gigs of inbuilt memory starts filling up, and I either have to start thinking about not capturing so much or figure out offloading what I do have onto my device, which takes time and storage. Imagine if I could have a 256 gigabyte high-speed memory card, maybe sitting somewhere around here, there, that I could offload my footage to, clear my camera and start shooting again. And I could do this over and over again until my SD card was full. And then I could swap in another SD card. Can you see the potential here? What do you think? Good idea? Let me know in the comments below, even if you see some flaws in my thinking. I'm sure it all goes towards developing an even better product. Hey, I think this video might be interesting for you, and check back again soon. I'll be putting out a few vlog style videos as well as technical stuff with different cameras, so you can see the differences in the vlog type footage you can capture. Thanks for watching. Cheers, go well, and keep safe out there.